Hi friends, welcome on another video series on Apache Spark interview question and answer. So let's start with our first questions, and in this tutorial series we are going to see number of different questions which are being asked in interview question related to Apache Spark. So let's start with our first question. Is Apache Spark a alternative of Hadoop, or is Apache Spark is going to get replace the whole Hadoop ecosystem? So before answering this question, let's try to understand what Hadoop is and what is the ecosystem of Hadoop look like. Then we will see about what Spark does, and will it actually going to replace the Hadoop or even a partial part of Hadoop or even whole Hadoop ecosystem. So let's try to understand this Hadoop ecosystem with this diagram. So I have taken this diagram from the bigdatatrunk.com website. So if you see this whole ecosystem of Hadoop, the major building blocks of this Hadoop ecosystem is nothing but HDFS, the Hadoop Distributed File System. Along with that, there are some tools like a Zookeeper for the coordination, Flume for the log collectors, and Scoop for the data exchange between RDBMS and a Hadoop file system runs in a parallel. On the top of Hadoop file system, there are two components generally run. One is for the cluster management tool like a Yarn, and another one is a computational framework, which is nothing but the MapReduce framework works on the top of it. Once this part is finished, there are number of different tools for the different purposes, like Apache Hive, one of the topmost project in a Apache community, which used to extract the data with the help of SQL query. So for the non-Java programmer, one can write a simple SQL query and extract the structured data which is residing in a Hadoop distributed file system. There are other like a machine learning library, Mahoots are available. So this way there are a lot of other tools like a OZ, Pig, R connectors for the statistical analysis, and HBase, that is another columnar database on the top of Hadoop distributed file system resides. Now let's see about what Apache Spark is. So if you see this MapReduce part, which is nothing but the computational framework developed for the programming in a Hadoop ecosystem. So if you see this Apache Spark is nothing but another kind of a computational framework and open source platform. So if you compare this MapReduce part, you can directly compare with the Apache Spark core component. That is another part is available in a Apache Spark, which is exactly equivalent to this Apache Hive, which is nothing but the Spark SQL. So Spark SQL runs on the top of Spark core, and in the Spark core exactly the same way this Apache Hive SQL query you can write it. Same way for the equivalent of machine learning Mahout, in a Spark available Spark mlib. But if you compare this Spark with the Hadoop ecosystem, Spark still use the same HBase system, same Hadoop distributed file system. So in overall, if you see whether Apache Spark is a exact alternative of the Hadoop, you can say yes, there are some components like MapReduce is going to get replaced with the Spark core, because there are a lot of different advantages Spark gives, like difficulty in a programming is quietly reduced in case of Spark with the help of this Spark core components. There is all in-memory computation happens that doesn't happen in case of this MapReduce way of programming in a Hadoop. You can even use the same Yarn for the cluster management, or you can this is a plug and play kind of component in case of Spark. So either you can use this Yarn based cluster management tool or Apache Mesos based cluster management tool. So these are all plug and play. Without that, this Spark core or Spark ecosystem might not work. So Spark one is not going to get replaced the completely Hadoop ecosystem, but the some component of this Hadoop ecosystem going to get replaced with the Spark, as it is giving lot of advantage. But whether it will completely replace this Spark will replace the Hadoop ecosystem, no, this is not going to replace this Hadoop ecosystem in a complete way, but there are some component it is going to get replaced. So in short, Spark is an alternative of Hadoop? No, Spark is not a complete alternative of Hadoop, but along with the Hadoop ecosystem, or some component of Hadoop, it will run the Spark in parallel to get more and more advantage. So that's all about this, friends, this lecture, friends. I hope you enjoy listening this video. If you want me to create more video on a Apache Spark interview questions and answer, please write it into comment. I'll be very happy to answer all those questions. At last, thank you guys for the watching, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it.